Hi children, welcome to IT 402 class. So in this session we are going to see about the first unit of part A, functional skills, where we are going to see about the communication skills. So the first session is about what is communication, ways of communication, elements of communication, and importance of communication. Whether we realize it or not, I don't know, but we are communicating all the time. Whenever we speak, write, send messages over phone, like a post, write email, we are communicating in some way or the other, directly or indirectly, verbally or non verbally. So, about this only we are going to see in this session. About ways of communication. Communication means being able to tell each other what you want to say, expressing our feelings, passing on information, or influencing other people's opinions. All are parts of communication. So, in this way, the way in which we communicate differentiates the communication into different types: verbal form, non verbal form, written form, visual form. In verbal form, we communicate orally, okay, in words. Non verbal form. So, what do we do? Communicating using body language, gestures, or tone and pitch. Written form, communicating via handwritten or printed information. Visual form, communication via pictures, logos, posters, maps, or charts. How can we make such a communication effective? So, what do you mean by effective communication? That is very important, right? So, effective communication refers to the right way of communication that makes the right impact and delivers the right message across. So, whatever we think, if the receiver receives it in the same manner to 100%, then that is called as effective communication. This is how the elements of communication is picturized. So the messenger is the sender, what he tells, and information or input is the other element that is sent as a message to the receiver, the recipient. Okay, and here decoding encoding happens in between while the message is passed. And similarly, when the message is received by the recipient, he or she sends a feedback about whether the message is got or not and whether it is clear or not. How is communication important? It gets the message across correctly. Communication skills are very important to get the correct message across in right form. If the voice tone is right, the body language is positive, and the words are clear, the message is communicated well to the listener or the audience. Professional success. Communication skills are important for all the types of professional success. All types of communication, verbal, non-verbal, written, and visual, play an important role in the professional success as they help deliver the right content to the intended audience. Increased productivity. The communication skills are important for productivity, especially when working in teams. Teams deliver as per messages conveyed, and communication skills are very important for it. Help in problem solving. Communication skills play an important role in problem solving. On one end, communication skills are very important for discussing the problem, if any, and on the other end, solutions are also found out through communicating correctly. So, communication skills are important for problem solving too. Better professional image. Communication skills are important for building a professional image. A good professional is one who understands his or her role well, conveys clearly in the effective manner, and does his or her job well. Again, communication skills are important for understanding and conveying. Hence, good communication skills build a better professional image. Better networking and relationships. Networking is considered as an important factor in the professional success. Clear and crisp communication in a positive way receives a positive professional image, and the people like to connect with you. All this leads to building strong relationships. With this, the session What is Communication is completed. Thank you.